Hi, we got balloons and we're gonna do like talking with helium in our voices. But we've never done this before, and helium is a toxic gas. So
let's see what happens.
Yeah. Okay. Can I go first?
Who wants to go first? So I am going to take the video first. So this is Davis. I have my own channel called Davis with Morgan.
Yeah,
you can subscribe to me, watch all my videos, and we'll also Parks Core 1.
Okay, you ready?
Oh, you need help?
Yeah, it's 2-man.
Okay, 2-man job.
Okay,
You ready? You pinched it?
No.
Uh-oh, let's see what happens. Don't use it all.
It's very nice today. I mean, this is helium, and we're doing the helium compilation. Yeah, how's everything going?
He actually has a 50-year-old grandson.
Oh, it went away. It went away.
He used it all. I'm not gonna use all mine.
Yeah, it's awesome. That's actually pretty cool.
Okay, so now it's my turn. I'm handing it over to him now. I'm gonna pick my first balloon. Oh, let's use this one. Okay. Let's go.
That was awesome.
Two-man job.
Okay, I'll cut it. Where's the... Ready? Okay, it's gonna like get a little bit gone. Sorry, guys. Ready? Go.
Hi, my name is Sam.
Oh, dang. Sorry.
And I love puppies and bananas.
Do the rest. Do the rest. Do the whole thing.
Hi, my name is Sylvia, and
Are you controlling that?
I think that puppy dogs are adorable. And I love my 50-year-old grandson. His name is Bobby. He does not have a YouTube channel, so
Okay.
it went away.
Yeah, it goes away quick. Okay.
Okay, so now it's Parks' turn again. We kind of wanted to go to McDonald's and do it, but then we got
Yeah, we didn't have
police.
Here, can you cut it?
Ooh, yes.
Go.
Ooh, so it's a 2-man job, guys.
So.
Hi.
My name is Parks. Okay, that was awkward. Did it work?
It worked.
Okay, it went away.
Okay, now cut it for me. I'm
So,
gonna
like,
I'm gonna do my big cool. Oh, this one looks kind of big and fluffy. Whee!
Guys, definitely comment if you want us to do another one of these videos.
Okay.
Okay. We're gonna get ready to cut this for Davis. Okay. Ready? Yep.
Hey man, I got something we're gonna make an adjustment on, okay? I just talked to Mom. She said her phone doesn't have any memory, so you're not gonna be able to store it. So why don't you use this thing and just...
Oh, but we already did half of it.
Okay.
We're gonna use up the rest, and we're gonna send it to my iPad.
And then so get this thing charged right away, okay?
Okay.
How do you charge it? Where's your...
There's a charger right behind there, Dad.
Yeah, because she's not allowed to do that with her work phone.
Wait, we don't have the cord though. Dad, we'll handle it after, okay? I promise.
Okay, Mom's gonna get really upset though if we don't.
It's fine. It's fine.
It's okay. Just
Ready, Davis? Okay, sorry. You ready?
Hi, my name is Sylvia.
Video.
And I don't know where.
This is really cool. You should definitely do this.
Hi, my name is Sylvia. That is really funny. Hi guys. Okay, so earlier today we were watching the reaction time videos, and this is little short films called a Booba, and this one's called Most Appropriate
Okay, yeah.
Children's Work. So it went away.
Yeah.
It was kind of
I'm
fun.
going with big old...
No, you're not allowed to use that, remember?
Okay. So close to him.
Ooh,
Let's
if
go with the...
it hit Mustard like it would have popped and went away.
So, this is my last turn, so I gotta use it wisely. Maybe later later today I'll use big.
No, you're not allowed to use that smiley face. This is very interesting. He needs to use the bathroom.
My name is Parks. My name's Sabrina. Hey YouTubers, just text me your channel and I'll definitely subscribe and like. It's kind of like awesome, totally awesome.
He's a good boy.
I'm a Bill boy. Yeah, like whatever he said. And I'm from the 1980s. You know what I'm saying?
My turn.
Nope. Hi, my name is Parks. I have helium. Oh my gosh, I have to go take a dump.
Here.
Be right back. Oh my gosh, it's lurking down my butt.
He's doing his Botox.
My Botox.
Here. I think it went away. It went away. It went away.
It's my turn. I wonder what's gonna happen. It's gonna be the
When maybe later tonight I'm gonna do big yellow.
Cut it.
Dude, it's still in my lungs.
Cut it.
Hold on. Guys, but this is dangerous because helium is a toxic gas, and if you don't like exhale before you take the helium, you can die.
But we're smart and don't do that.
Yeah, we're smart and we don't do that. We don't do that. Ready, Day? This? Oh, dang it.
Hi, my name is Sylvia,
It didn't work.
and I am a 50-year-old woman, and I have a 70-year-old grandson.
Wait, it didn't work as
I
well.
gave birth when I was 2.
You're a messed up person.
I know. Thank you for noticing.
That one didn't work that well.
Don't worry. We're going to do this one tonight. Oh, but you better watch the Super Bowl and go against the Patriots.
Wait, guys, if we can get at least 3 likes on this video, then I will use big yellow.
Likes on this video, we will give them a special video.
Okay, we're gonna
And
go.
we will follow them, like them, and do whatever we can. So, bye.
Wait, can I do big yellow?
No, it's not for you.
Okay.